I came to Concept of Movement because I have severe knee issues. Issues that physically can't be repaired. It's advanced osteoarthritis. I'm missing 2 ligaments. I have bone effusion. Surgeons tell me I need a knee replacement, and that is the only solution. In the same breath, they've told me that a knee replacement is not a good idea because I am young and healthy. That said, I still wanted to do things. So I was really attracted to Concept of Movement because they have a different outlook on physiotherapists. They're very big proponents on movement as a solution, as well as, you know, all the technical modalities they have, the acupuncture, the PMF, so much stuff there. So, you know, with a knee as damaged as mine, many people are in a wheelchair, and I'm able to run, bike, snowboard. It's fantastic. And so I keep going there because if I don't, you know, my quality of life would diminish. So I'm able to live with like a knee that needs to be replaced, literally because of Concept of Movement. It's for everybody, really. I've seen people from all sort of lifestyles and all walks of life, all ages. What's particularly cool is that I personally appreciate that they have a strong focus on people who are fit and want to remain super active, the athletes, but at the same breath, I've seen everybody go in there and see benefits. And the professionalism and the depth of knowledge is recognizable right out of the gate. I've had a number of friends that have been other places and they were maybe discouraged that they didn't see the results they wanted. And I said, okay, I realize you've seen a physio, but you have to see Concept. Like just because maybe that didn't work for you at whatever place you went to, don't think that that isn't an option for you. Like, try Concept. Trust me, it's different.